Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed code in Microsoft Teams messages. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you wish to share a code snippet with someone in your Microsoft Teams, it's pretty simple. Just head over to the account you wish to share. For instance, I want to share with this person. Then head down here to message because I just want to share this in a chat. And from here, before you paste your code, head over to this plus icon for more actions. By tapping on this plus, now choose this show formatting options. And then you can see we have this option for code block. You can also tap on more here. And you should see we have this option for code. If you tap on code, now you'll have an option to paste your code here. So I'll just go ahead and paste my code, and you can see my code will be shared here. Once you're done, now you can share with the account and you can see the code will have been shared. So that's how you can embed code or share code snippet in Microsoft Teams messages. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.